Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your Midea portable air conditioner heat mode is not working, it can be frustrating, especially when you switch to heating and nothing happens, or the unit keeps blowing cold air. Many people assume the heater function is broken, but in most cases, it's actually a setup or condition related issue rather than a major fault. Portable AC units with heat mode rely on proper temperature settings, correct mode selection, and stable airflow to function properly. Even small things like incorrect settings, blocked vents, or environmental conditions can prevent the heating feature from activating. Once you fix the underlying issue, the heat mode should start working normally again. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Midea portable AC heat mode. Try these. 1. Ensure the unit is plugged into a stable power source. 2. Set the mode to heat and adjust the temperature higher than room temperature. 3. Check that air vents and filters are clean and not blocked. 4. Turn the unit off and restart it to reset the system. 5. Make sure the exhaust hose is installed correctly. 6. Let the unit run and confirm warm air starts blowing.